7-year-old Huxley Hardy Penner comes face to face with a black bear while riding a scooter.
The wild is a place of beauty, majesty, and sometimes sheer chaos. While it's often said that animals are more afraid of humans than we are of them, there are moments captured on camera that challenge this notion entirely. From unexpected animal confrontations to surprising displays of aggression, these incidents remind us of the raw power and unpredictability of wildlife. Today, we delve into some of the most jaw-dropping moments when animals went on a rampage, caught on camera, showcasing their instinctual behavior that can often lead to unexpected outcomes. The dynamic hippos. A hippo suddenly appears, revealing the incredible speed of these otherwise slow giants. The hippo charged at a group of people, sending them scurrying for cover with its muscular legs and sudden burst of speed. Hippos, despite their stocky build, are notoriously aggressive and dangerous creatures native to Africa. A hippo charging at unsuspecting humans in this footage demonstrates the animal's incredible power. Surprisingly agile for their size, hippos can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour when running on land, making them one of the swiftest big animals. Reminding viewers that these creatures are not to be trifled with, the movie stresses the need of being cautious and respectful while encountering them in the wild. The fact that hippos can crush bones with their enormous teeth just adds to the terrifying nature of their hostility. Whether they're guarding their young or feeling threatened, hippos may become extremely territorial. Even though they look like peaceful giants, this incident shows just how violent they can be. Angry rhino, be not deceived. Rhinos are everything but mild-mannered herbivores. And furious rhinoceros lunges at a car in this video, its enormous horns and sturdy build on full display. Rhinos can weigh more than 2,000 pounds and have horns that are up to 2 feet long. What this episode demonstrates is how these apparently sluggish animals can respond in an instant when they perceive an invasion of their area. The stunned witnesses show how important it is to maintain a safe distance from these majestic but potentially lethal animals as the rhino charges. Because of their acute sense of smell and notoriously bad eyesight, rhinos are understandably wary of anything that seems strange or foreign. Even the most magnificent animals may show extreme hostility when threatened, as this confrontation shows with all its force. Also, rhinos are notoriously loner animals, and the males are known to be extremely possessive of their territory. When trapped, this behavior frequently escalates into fights with humans or other animals. Taking a picture of this rhino not only shows how powerful it is, but it also emphasizes how important it is to keep your distance from animals. Fighting kangaroos. An unexpected fight centers on a kangaroo, which is a shocking turn of events. This kangaroo exemplifies how outwardly innocent and charming a creature can be. The footage shows a kangaroo taking a hostile posture toward a human, seemingly prepared to protect its territory. When a kangaroo feels threatened, it can kick with all the force of its powerful hind legs and keen claws. As the video progresses, the kangaroo's leaps and lunges toward the camera demonstrate its remarkable strength and agility. Although kangaroos are generally thought of as peaceful, this incident shows that they may be aggressive when they feel cornered or threatened. Not only can they hop with ease, but a single kick from one of their massive legs may deal devastating damage. When mating season rolls around, kangaroos in the wild really let their aggressiveness and strength show. This movie highlights the kangaroo's innate behavior, which mirrors its typical reactions to danger. Even the most adorable creatures have a scary side when they feel threatened, and this cartoon serves as a funny but serious reminder of that. A stunted elephant. A terrifying stampede can shake the very earth when an elephant herd feels threatened. This incredible stampede, captured on film, demonstrates the incredible strength of these amazing animals. The footage shows the immense power and resolve displayed by a herd of elephants as they charge at what they perceive as an imminent threat. The elephant is a social animal that forms close-knit family groupings and is renowned for its intelligence. Their natural reaction to perceived threats, such as humans or predators, is to hunker down and defend their young and one another. Their caring nature and the significance of their social structure are demonstrated by this protective conduct. Because of the incredible spectacle that their combined weight and power produce, the scene of the stampede highlights the strength of elephants. Furthermore, elephants are able to communicate with one another using infrasound, a frequency range that is inaudible to humans. Their ability to coordinate their movements and respond effectively to dangers is a result of this. Taking a video of this stampede demonstrates not just how strong they are, but also how complicated their social interactions are. Threat from crocodiles. An exciting crocodile attack takes place when the animal pounces on its unaware victim. Watching this apex predator demonstrate its tremendous bite force in action reveals its ferocity and speed. The crocodile's swift and accurate blows prove it is one of the most formidable predators on Earth. The crocodile is a notorious ambush predator, known to lie in wait for long periods of time before striking. Viewers can observe the crocodile's jaws clenching around its prey in the video, showcasing the immense power of its bite. The biting force of a crocodile can exceed 2,000 pounds, making it one of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom. This terrifying encounter highlights the need to keep one's distance from these fearsome beasts and the perils that can be found in water. Crocodiles are formidable predators because of their remarkable capacity to remain underwater for long periods of time without breathing. They will seize any prey that gets too near to the water's edge, since they are opportunistic eaters. Photographing this scene emphasizes the significance of preserving natural areas for wildlife and the untamed force of nature. Mad moose. Another shocking video shows a moose aggressively charging at a car, showcasing its enormous size. When it comes to mating season or guarding their young, moose are notoriously unpredictable. The clip shows the moose charging at the camera in an aggressive attempt to establish its supremacy, and it serves as a reminder to watchers of the need of protecting natural habitats. Moose are enormous and frightening due to their massive size. With its antlers spread wide, the moose in the video stands erect, displaying its might and determination to protect itself. Moose encounters with people can be risky since they can be quite aggressive when provoked. Because these magnificent creatures can become violent when they feel threatened, the film should serve as a warning to anyone trespassing on moose territory. Moose also have trouble seeing, so any quick movement will catch them off guard. It is important to be cautious and respectful of wildlife, as this encounter shows, particularly when coming face-to-face with big animals like moose in their natural environment. A battle between hyenas and lions. A pride of hyenas outnumbers a lone lion, creating a dramatic scenario. This movie shows the intense rivalry among these predators, despite the common perception of lions as jungle rulers. An unfiltered demonstration of the savagery of nature is on show as the lion refuses to back down from the unrelenting hyenas. When lions live in the wild, they form prides and rely on each other for hunting and protection of territory. But hyenas are also very sociable animals. They hunt best in groups and share the load when it comes to taking down bigger game. The movie shows the hyenas and lions arguing, which is symbolic of the intense rivalry for prey in the wild. The lion's speed and strength allow it to fend off the hyenas, even though it is outnumbered. The brutality of wild survival, when strategy and strength are the deciding factors, is on full display in this tense standoff. The video is a sobering reminder of the power struggles that play out on a daily basis among the many different kinds of animals. The raid on raccoons. An amusing and terrifying experience unfolds when a raccoon chooses to invade a campsite, causing mayhem and uncertainty. The nimble and cunning raccoon causes mayhem, revealing its playful side. The footage captures the exact moment the raccoon makes an appearance, destroying food sources in the process. Raccoons are renowned to be smart and agile, which comes in handy when they need to open jars or move heavy objects. The fact that this raccoon appears unfazed by the presence of humans nearby is indicative of the fearlessness with which these creatures typically forage for food. Their ability to quickly adjust to new environments and satisfy their natural curiosity makes them excellent scavengers, but it also makes them a source of amusement and frustration for those who like spending time outside. People watching the raccoon raid can't help but chuckle at the animal's antics. Having food on hand is crucial when in raccoon country, though, as this incident shows. The raccoon's cunning highlights the importance of safe camping to keep these inquisitive animals at bay. And it also serves as a cautionary tale about the difficulties that can occur when humans and nature interact. A malevolent duck. Geese, which are typically thought of as harmless, can actually be quite violent. A geese charges a gathering of humans in this video, frightens them away with a piercing honk, and then takes flight. They are extremely dangerous enemies due to their aggressive and protective nature. This entertaining and enlightening experience shows how even apparently harmless creatures can become quite protective when they feel threatened. Geese, particularly during mating season, are notoriously violent and have strong social relationships. When humans inadvertently approach too near to their nests, they frequently become quite protective of their young. The video shows the goose's dogged pursuit, which demonstrates its power to scare off would-be predators. The significance of protecting wildlife and their nesting grounds is brought to light by this experience. Geese may look innocuous, but their protective instincts sometimes cause them to get into fights they didn't expect. The video is a funny reminder that any animal, no matter how timid, can become violent when it feels its area is being invaded. An ape attack on gorillas. An awe-inspiring gorilla takes issues into its own hands and demonstrates its strength by destroying everything in its vicinity. This gorilla's rampage, caught on video, is a powerful illustration of the untamed power these amazing creatures possess. Gorillas, when angered, can cause significant harm due to their enormous stature and powerful limbs. The amiable gorilla is well known for its social habits and displays of affection within its family group. On the other hand, their defensive mechanisms activate whenever they perceive danger or difficulty. As the gorilla shows off its strength by tearing trees apart and destroying things, the video reveals its remarkable physical abilities. The meeting shows how gorillas can be both big and compassionate, and how fiercely they defend their territory. Despite their amiability, this movie emphasizes the significance of giving them space and learning about their habits. The bold bear. A bear charges at a group of hikers, causing an intense and dangerous moment in another heart-stopping incident. The video captures the bear's strong and swift charge, which sends the hikers scurrying for cover. Bears have an impressively high top speed of 35 miles per hour while running short distances, which is rather remarkable considering their size. While hiking in bear country, it is important to be cautious, as this video shows the heart-pounding seconds of a bear encounter. A sense of danger or territorial pride is plainly visible on the bear's face as it draws near. The film shows the untamed strength and randomness of animals, which should make people think twice about trespassing on their ecosystems. Also, this incident shows how important it is to teach hikers and outdoor enthusiasts how to stay safe around bears. If you are familiar with bear behavior and how to respond in an encounter, you can avoid harmful situations or at least minimize their impact. Viewers feel the weight of the situation, which drives home the point that people should never go into the wilderness unprepared. How to catch a cheetah. Stunning footage of a cheetah hunting its prey shows the animal's incredible speed and agility. Cheetahs are the swiftest land animals, capable of sudden acceleration to speeds of 70 miles per hour. As it dashes across the savanna, this video highlights the cheetah's lightning reflexes and astonishing acceleration. Witness the thrilling display of hunting skill as the cheetah draws near to its prey. During a hunt, these creatures display remarkable levels of concentration and resolve, as seen in the video. Each second counts for a cheetah's life because of how they depend on speed and stealth to capture their prey. On the other hand, the difficulties encountered by wild cheetahs are brought to light by this spectacular pursuit. Their existence is in jeopardy because of factors such as habitat degradation and predator competition. Photographing this scene does double duty. It highlights the wonders of nature while simultaneously drawing attention to the need for conservation initiatives to safeguard these awe-inspiring creatures. Meeting the great white shark. A great white shark shows off its strength and elegance as it approaches a diver in an exciting underwater scene. This apex predator, famous for its devastating hunting skills, is shown in all its massive glory in the film. When you see a great white shark, which may reach a length of 20 feet, in the ocean, you can't help but be amazed and respectful. Staying calm as the shark gets closer shows how important it is to know how sharks behave when you're in their native environment. Great white sharks are formidable predators, yet this video shows how important they are to marine life. The delicate balance of marine life is helped by their position as top predators. On the other hand, it's clear from the interaction that people should be very careful around animals. By gaining a better understanding of shark habits and behaviors, divers and marine enthusiasts can greatly enhance their safety experiences. The footage reminds people to respect these wonderful creatures while showcasing the beauty and mystery of the ocean. The invasion of the squirrels. Squirrels cause mayhem at a picnic, which is both funny and scary because the unwary picnickers are caught off guard. As they frantically seek out morsels of food, the video records the nimbleness and intelligence of these little creatures. Squirrels have a reputation for being cunning and finding food in the most unlikely of locations. A humorous scene of mayhem ensues as the picnickers rush to save their possessions from the advancing squirrels. Squirrels commonly flourish in human habitats. Thus, this meeting shows how adaptable wildlife can be in urban settings. Their mischievous actions not only make us laugh, but they also teach us the value of being prepared when we go outdoors. The film is a humorous reminder that even the tiniest creatures, when they get the guts to do it, can make quite a scene. Because of their tenacity and intelligence, squirrels are masters at finding their way into homes and businesses in search of food. The charming and playful side of wildlife interactions is captured on film at this moment. A tortoise in a storm. An unexpectedly hilarious scene involves a tortoise charging at a human, which adds a twist to the story. This tortoise, which is often known for its leisurely gait, surprises everyone by waddling steadily toward the camera. The video hilariously catches the incident, showing how the tortoise's unexpected rush of vigor leaves spectators in fits of laughter. Although tortoises aren't usually associated with violence, this encounter demonstrates how determined they can be when confronted with danger. The video's comedic tone is a good reminder that even the most sluggish animals may shock us with their antics. This humorous scene exemplifies how unpredictable wildlife interactions may be, demonstrating how interesting and entertaining nature can be. The dangerous snake encounter. A terrifying scene unfolds as a poisonous serpent lunges at a party of hikers, their nerves fraying at the seams. In order to warn the hikers to stay away, the film shows the snake's menacing behavior. Warning signs are essential for avoiding dangerous interactions with venomous snakes, as they can be quite territorial. Viewers are urged to use caution when in snake country as the serpent hisses and coils. The venom of several snake species is extremely dangerous to humans. The video shows the snake acting defensively, which highlights how important it is to respect animals and the places they call home. For outdoor enthusiasts, knowing how snakes behave is crucial for avoiding potentially dangerous interactions. When exploring natural areas, especially around animals that could pose a threat, it is crucial to remain vigilant and respectful, as this video teaches. An attack on wild boars. Everyone runs for cover as a wild boar unexpectedly charges at them, causing a terrifying confrontation. Aggressiveness is a hallmark of wild boars, who display it most visibly in times of danger or when defending their young. Being cautious around wildlife is essential, as this video shows the animal's raw might as it charges. Because of their large size and sharp tusks, wild boars are dangerous opponents. They can weigh more than 300 pounds. Their erratic behavior puts others in harm's way, especially in populated places where they can encounter people. Keep in mind the hazards of getting too close to wildlife and remember to respect their limits. This video is a good reminder of that. The wild boar's strength and agility continue to amaze onlookers as it continues its rampage. This experience highlights the untamed character of these creatures and the importance of being vigilant and taking precautions when coming into contact with wild animals in their own environments. Invasion of the hornets. Terrifying footage shows a swarm of hornets fiercely protecting their nest. In the video, we see the mayhem as people flee from the hornets' wrath. When their nests are in danger, hornets can be hostile and cause painful stings. Because of their defensive instincts, hornets can cause unpleasant and even deadly encounters, as the video shows. Multiple stings from a hornet can inject venom that some people are extremely allergic to. A warning to all those who might accidentally step on a hornet's nest: this encounter will not end well. In order to stay safe, it is essential to understand how these insects behave. Remembering to protect species and their habitats is crucial, especially while dealing with insects. The movie beautifully conveys the sense of urgency and mayhem that was there. A rendezvous with moose. A moose, exhibiting its enormous size and might, unexpectedly attacks a gathering of parkgoers in yet another shocking encounter. Standing firm, the moose shows off its antlers and tells the curious onlookers to stay away. It is crucial to remember to respect wildlife limits, particularly when interacting with large creatures, as this incident illustrates. Moose, especially while protecting their young or during mating season, can be very unpredictable. Be careful and respectful when you encounter gorgeous creatures like moose. The film shows the tension of the moment when it asserts its supremacy. The moose's towering presence draws attention to the need for humans to maintain a safe distance from animals as observers retreat. This experience shows that moose, despite their placid appearance, are capable of aggressive behavior when cornered or threatened. The shark encounter. A great white shark shows off its strength and elegance as it approaches a diver in an exciting underwater scene. This apex predator, famous for its devastating hunting skills, is shown in all its massive glory in the film. When you see a great white shark, which may reach a length of 20 feet, in the ocean, you can't help but be amazed and respectful. Staying calm as the shark gets closer shows how important it is to know how sharks behave when you're in their native environment. Great white sharks are formidable predators, yet this video shows how important they are to marine life. The delicate balance of marine life is helped by their position as top predators. On the other hand, it's clear from the interaction that people should be very careful around animals. By gaining a better understanding of shark habits and behaviors, divers and marine enthusiasts can greatly enhance their safety experiences. The footage reminds people to respect these wonderful creatures while showcasing the beauty and mystery of the ocean. The Wolfpack encounter. In a chilling moment caught on camera, a pack of wolves stalks through the forest, showcasing their hunting prowess and social dynamics. This footage reveals the cooperative behavior that makes wolves such effective predators. As the pack moves stealthily through the trees, their keen senses and teamwork become evident. Wolves are known for their complex social structures and hunting strategies. In the wild, they often work together to take down larger prey, demonstrating remarkable coordination and communication. The video captures the intensity of the moment as the wolves close in on their target, highlighting their agility and stealth. This encounter emphasizes the importance of understanding wolf behavior, especially in areas where they may come into contact with humans. While wolves are generally shy and avoid people, their instinctual drive to hunt can lead to surprising and sometimes dangerous encounters. The footage serves as a reminder of the wild's unpredictability and the need to respect wildlife habitats. The bison charge. In a heart-stopping encounter, a bison charges at a group of tourists in a national park, creating a chaotic scene as everyone scrambles for safety. Bison are massive animals weighing up to 2,000 pounds, and they can be incredibly aggressive when they feel threatened or cornered. This video captures the sheer power of the bison as it charges, showcasing its muscular build and impressive speed. The bison's territorial nature becomes apparent as it defends its space against perceived threats. This encounter serves as a reminder to park visitors to keep a safe distance from wildlife, particularly large animals like bison that can cause serious injury. As the footage unfolds, viewers are left in awe of the bison's strength and the importance of respecting wildlife boundaries. Bison are known for their protective instincts, especially when it comes to their young. During the spring and summer months, mothers become particularly aggressive, and this footage exemplifies that protective behavior. The encounter underscores the need for caution and awareness when encountering wildlife in national parks. The territorial sea lion. In an unexpected confrontation, a sea lion is filmed aggressively defending its territory against a group of people on a beach. Known for their playful nature, sea lions can become surprisingly aggressive when they feel their space is being invaded. The video captures the sea lion's loud barks and assertive posturing, showcasing its determination to maintain control over its territory. As the sea lion charges toward the beachgoers, viewers witness the raw power and agility of this marine mammal. While they may appear cute and playful, sea lions are wild animals that require respect and distance. This encounter serves as a reminder that even the most seemingly harmless creatures can exhibit territorial behavior when they feel threatened. In the wild, sea lions often establish breeding grounds on beaches where they gather in large groups. These areas are crucial for their survival, and any perceived threat can trigger aggressive responses. The footage highlights the importance of being aware of wildlife behavior, especially when visiting natural habitats. The rampaging gator. In a dramatic encounter, an alligator is caught on camera as it lunges at a boat, showcasing its impressive speed and strength. Alligators are ambush predators, known for their stealth and powerful bite. This footage captures the intensity of the moment as the gator attempts to strike, emphasizing the need for caution when navigating waters inhabited by these formidable reptiles. Alligators can grow to over 14 feet in length and possess one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. The video highlights their predatory behavior as they lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. This encounter serves as a reminder of the dangers lurking in swamps and marshes, where alligators often reside. Understanding alligator behavior is essential for anyone spending time near water bodies. They are generally more active during warmer months, and encounters can become dangerous if people venture too close. This footage underscores the importance of respecting wildlife and maintaining a safe distance from alligators. The unruly ostrich. In a hilarious yet alarming moment, an ostrich charges at a group of people, creating a scene of chaos and laughter. Known for their impressive speed, ostriches can run up to 45 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest birds on land. This video captures the unexpected aggressiveness of the ostrich as it approaches the camera, showcasing its powerful legs and large size. While ostriches are generally not aggressive towards humans, they can become territorial, especially during breeding season. This encounter highlights their ability to assert dominance and the importance of giving them space when they feel threatened. As the footage unfolds, viewers can't help but laugh at the sight of the ostrich running full speed, but it also serves as a reminder of the wild instincts present in these flightless birds. Ostriches are known for their strong kicks, which can be dangerous if they feel cornered. This footage exemplifies the need for caution when encountering wildlife, even in seemingly harmless situations. The ostrich's unexpected rampage adds a humorous twist to the video, reminding us that nature can be both entertaining and unpredictable. The mischievous monkey. In a comical yet eye-opening encounter, a monkey is filmed stealing items from unsuspecting tourists. The video showcases the cleverness and agility of this mischievous creature as it jumps from person to person, snatching food and belongings. Monkeys are known for their intelligence and curiosity, and this footage captures their ability to navigate human environments with ease. While monkeys can be entertaining to watch, their bold behavior can lead to unexpected confrontations. This encounter serves as a reminder that feeding wildlife can encourage undesirable behavior and lead to aggressive interactions. As the monkey continues its raid, viewers are left laughing at its antics while also recognizing the importance of respecting wildlife boundaries. In urban areas and tourist destinations, monkeys often become accustomed to human presence, leading to more frequent encounters. Understanding their behavior and maintaining a safe distance is crucial for ensuring the safety of both humans and wildlife. This video highlights the playful yet unpredictable nature of monkeys in their natural habitats. The surprising pigeon attack. In a surprising twist, a flock of pigeons is filmed attacking a person who unknowingly ventured too close to their nesting area. While pigeons are typically seen as harmless city dwellers, This footage showcases their protective instincts when it comes to their young. The video captures the moment when the pigeons swoop down, creating a flurry of wings and frantic movements. Pigeons can exhibit aggressive behavior, particularly during nesting season when they feel their young are threatened. This encounter highlights the importance of being aware of local wildlife and their protective instincts. As the person tries to back away, the pigeons continue their aggressive display, showcasing their determination to defend their territory. Understanding pigeon behavior is essential for anyone spending time in urban areas where these birds thrive. While they may seem harmless, pigeons can be protective and territorial, leading to unexpected encounters. This footage serves as a humorous reminder of the wild instincts that can surface even in the most familiar settings. As we wrap up this exploration of animals on a rampage caught on camera, we are reminded of the unpredictability and raw power that nature holds. From the charging hippo to the angry moose, these encounters reveal the hidden ferocity that lies within even the most gentle-looking creatures. What do you think about these intense moments? Have you ever experienced an unexpected encounter with wildlife? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating explorations into the wild. Thank you for reading.